good afternoon everybody. Just another day in Poznan, Poland. Well, my hair is a bit oily today because I just finished my massage today. I met my friend and then we went to the massage together. And then after that I'm decided to show you the area. Yesterday we went to the Plage via Kopolski. And this is the tram, and today now I'm taking you to the Plage Bernadiski. Look at this church as the background. And Plage normally market is there, so just like in front of me. I think that maybe because of we are a bit late, and here is the nice market. And I'm gonna shopping. Let's see what we're gonna buy today. I really like to shop fruits or veg nowadays in the market. That is the flower shop here. Yeah, I'm late actually. Not much opening, so maybe I will buy something there. Bought a full kilogram of cherry. Look at this, all the sweet fruits and tomatoes. Very nice. That's the clothes section. That's another fruits and veg. That's the flower shop. Alright, so that's it. Look at this beautiful church in front of me. I think that I'm gonna get inside the church and show you how it is. So I bought half kilogram of cherries. It cost me about 8 zloty because now is the season. And I really love the Polish cherries. So sweet and fresh. So this is how it is actually inside the church. How actually the situation in Plage Bernadiski. Here is the map of the Poznan, Sing Poznan, and yeah, this one. I feel like I wanna have a coffee or cake. I think that I see one nice coffee shop in the front. Maybe we can go there. Piękarnia means coffee shop or bread or pastries. Let's see. So basically I'm here. I'm thinking to buy a bread. Looks so tempting. Croissant. Nice. It's the bread. Nice. Very nice. So I just buy a bread for takeaway then. That's the coffee. Nice. Look at this beautiful mural art here. So you see? You were there few minutes walking, already park. I'll show you in the front. Very nice. And green, the smell of the trees. It's nice. Look at this beautiful park in the front. And look at the flowers, red. I think this is not rose, but very nice. Beautiful. Walking and look at this. I found nice, beautiful pink building, and in front of me I think a nice gallery exhibition. Look at this one. Beautiful. Very nice. Yes, look at this. Oh, nice art exhibition. Very nice. Look at this in front of me. Nice fountain. And I'll show you around. That's the pink building. So now we are in the Plage Kolegiachki. It's nice. Oh, that's nice restaurant. And also here, also very nice restaurant. I think that this road leading to the Starry Rinek, and as you can see that everywhere is a restaurant. So yeah, let's go. Here we are. We are in a Starry Rinek today at the weekdays. I think that during the weekdays is little bit quieter than usual, but I don't know why. I just really like to stroll around in the Rinek. Nice building, colorful. Yeah, it's always something happening. It's nice. This is actually the place that make me in love with Poznan. So many nice restaurants. Yeah, on the right, on the left side. So nice. I was there eating there in the sushi restaurant with my friend, and yeah, this is how it looks. Police patrol. So this one is another fountain in the water. It's really beautiful, colorful and beautiful. Very nice. And this one, another building. It's very cute. Nice. Yeah, seems like weekdays totally different than weekend, right? But still, some people still enjoying the time, having lunch here. It's nice. So here is Rogal Świętomarciński. So whenever you come here, and here is another shop. I think that I wanna buy something sweet, maybe poncek. So yeah, let's see. This one is Rogal Świętomarcin. I think that I feel like I wanna buy the cinnamon. Looks so tempting. Nice. So that was the Starry Rinek in front of me over there. And here we are. We are in the Plaza Wolności. Finally, there is a fountain in the middle. Okay, let's walking. It is very nice. It's nice. It's fully operated now. Wow. Yay! Finally, it's fully operated. I'll show you around how it looks. Very nice. And it's time to eat my cinnamon. I'm hungry already. I told everyone in Bali that the bread pastry in Poland is another different level, and it's very affordable. I really like it. Very nice. I just take a picture of video for this. I'm gonna showing to my friend Agnieszka. Actually, she's the architect of this fountain and the building. So yeah, it's good to know people who are in Poznan who, you know, build something. So nice. This is how actually summer situation in Poznan, especially on the weekdays. Yeah, Poznan is not as touristy as Krakow or Warsaw, but still enjoyable, and this is what makes Poznan not overcrowded. So I really like this city, you know. Like the first time I'm here, Damian took me to the Rinek and showing me around. I just like, I fell in love with this, you know. I think that's all my video today, guys. It's already 4. I will go home to prepare for dinner. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow.